as shown here, natural numbers are counting numbers, for example 1, 2, 3, and so on. And whole numbers include natural numbers and the number 0. Therefore, the set of natural numbers is contained within the set of whole numbers. In other words, the set of natural numbers is a subset of the set of whole numbers. Now, integers include whole numbers and the negative versions of counting numbers, for example, -1, -2, -3, and so on. Therefore, the set of whole numbers is a subset of the set of integers. Okay, now, rational numbers are ratios or fractions of two integers where the denominator is not 0. Therefore, the set of integers is a subset of the set of rational numbers. Finally, the set of rational numbers is a subset of the set of real numbers. Therefore, the answer to this question is option B.